Hello and welcome back. In this next project we're going to be focused on the bathroom and more specifically the shower head. We're going to be changing the shower head and on a Band-Aid scale of 1 to 10 this project ranks at about a 1. Let's take a quick look at the scope of our project. Here you can see our existing shower head and we're going to be replacing this particular shower head with our new shower head. This won't be too difficult of a project. We're going to be leaving our current neck in place and just replacing it from our nut all the way down. The tools for this project aren't going to be all that difficult either. You're going to need a monkey wrench or an adjustable crescent wrench, possibly a pair of pliers, and then definitely some Teflon tape. Any of these items you can pick up at your local hardware store. For this particular installation, I chose to actually use the crescent wrench versus the adjustable wrench. This one right here. Now you may be asking, well, why the crescent wrench versus the adjustable wrench? Let me show you real quick. When we were taking off the old piece, over here, we had a nozzle here that already had several different threads on it and a texture on it. With that in mind, I knew that I'd be able to go ahead and use my adjustable wrench and not hinder any of the intricacies of the piece. However, as I'm going to the new piece, right over here, it has a nice smooth texture on all sides. I wanted to keep that nice looking for while you're in the shower. So I decided to use the crescent wrench because the crescent wrench, as you can see, doesn't have any sort of jagged teeth on the inside. It's a nice flat, smooth surface, and that's going to allow you to get a nice clean edge and a nice clean grip on all your pieces. So that's why you would go with a crescent wrench over the adjustable wrench. Right. Now that we've removed the old and we're going to put on the new, we need to put Teflon tape on the end of the spigot. As you're doing new Teflon tape, it's important to understand how you're going to turn the knob on, because you want to be turning the knob on and at the same time tightening your Teflon tape. So since we always go righty, we turn to the right to tighten, righty tighty, loosey lefty, we're going to be turning to the right. With that in mind, we want to put our Teflon tape on in that same direction as well. And a couple of wraps around with Teflon tape is all you need. And then it's just a matter of pulling and it rips right off. And now you simply put the new shower head on and you turn in that same direction. And that will tighten it on as you go. So now we've already applied our Teflon tape and we're ready for our final tightening. Use your crescent wrench, just grab onto the little nut that's right on the faucet head itself and give her a little tighten. Just like that, and we're all done. So as you can see, we've successfully replaced the current shower head from this old existing shower head that was already on there. Let's see if it works. Looks good to me. Not even a drip.